We're here with our latest product offering released at Infocom this year, the FW15. It's a dedicated premium floor monitor. It's a Best in Show award winner for one of the most innovative products released at the show, incorporating many of our exclusive technology, our coaxial technology. It's a 75 by 75 coax, 3.5-inch coil 15, and a 3-inch coil compression driver on the 75 by 75 horn. If you'll notice, there's ports on the side, on each side of the loudspeaker. That's integrating our passive cardioid technology. So this is actually making the cardioid, or the wedge cardioid in its low frequency behavior, helping give you better isolation between the musicians on stage, and also keeping low frequency spill out of the front rows. So the front rows can be more of a premium seat, listening to the front of house mix, not the monitor mix. It's set up to have two different floor angles. So one is a primary normal artist position, and one is more of a stage wash or drum monitor position if it's on a sub. And we've given you inputs at both floor level and either position. So this is the FW15, our new premium floor wedge offering.